How's everything, Gemini? I'm here to do your general reading for May 2018. Pagan Tarot deck for Gemini, Sun, Moon, or Rising. Okay, let's see what's facing you. I kind of feel like it's about relationship, but let's see what's the central issue first. Queen of Cups, a water sign, or it represents a relationship and an offer. A very emotional, passionate relationship. You have feelings for somebody. Two clarifiers. One is Two of Pentacles, the other is Six of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, juggling, don't know what to do. And Six of Pentacles, you are giving something to somebody, or somebody is offering you something. What's crowning you? Ten of Swords. Very harsh situation. You were totally hurt. But I feel like it's in the past. Or it's something very negative happened in the past, and it's just staying in your mind. You didn't let go. The root of this reading, Justice, twin flame energy. It's saying the whole May is about reuniting with the twin flame that you missed. You missed them. You let them go. You didn't know what to do. You wanted to offer them something. You want to establish a serious relationship with them. They can be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, a very loving energy, or it's a female that is very caring. She is someone that you have already known, but you miss them. There are misunderstandings between both of you in the past or right now. You felt you were betrayed. You felt you were hurt. You felt that person was trying to hurt you, but they are not. It's something happened in the past that you didn't let go, caused you to think like that. It's not the truth, Gemini. Alright, so I would like to use the Romance Angels Oracle card to do the clarification and guidance for you in this month. Oracle cards for Gemini for May 2018. You're Gemini. Gemini, Gemini. How's everything between you and your twin flame? Okay. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking steps you got it to take. Gemini. You have an eye on someone and you need to get them. Go get them. Use your words. Use your wit on words. You know how to communicate, but in this situation you are very bad at communication. You blocked your communication. You blocked the link between you two. You are scaring yourself. You are creating difficulty for yourself. Let me see if there is other serious difficulties for you guys. Clarifier for 10 of Swords, please, spirits. 10 of Wands. Oh, it's a burden. It's a burden in your mind. It's a burden that you need to release, or you would never have the courage to take this step to approach to the one you love. So this is a very important step for you to step out. 10-10, it's in your mind. It's in your mind. It was negative in the past and you didn't let it go. Now you gotta end this cycle. You gotta end it. 10 means completion. It's already done. You should be done with that situation and you should walk out of that situation and go get something new. Have expectations. Do have hope. Do have faith. Let me see. What is this Queen of Cups? Tell me more about the Queen of Cups. Oh, the lady, which is the Empress, is very earthy and caring, loving. Oh, this girl, this lady, or this your lover is so caring. It's like an angel. It's the perfect match for you, Gemini. She can be family-oriented lady. She wants family, she wants love. She wants a serious relationship. And then she gave you something as well. I felt when you were lost in the past, this person, male, female, they helped you. They helped you with your work, with your business. They gave you something. Money or time to talk with you. Let me check. 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. Alright, I felt this person can have water in their chart and earth in their chart. They can be Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone is hiding. I felt like that's you, Gemini. You were hiding you have been hiding your proposal for a long time from this person. 5 of Pentacles. Is it a money? Because of your lack of money, that's why you felt inconfident to approach them? Or so the situation is like this. This is the perfect person for you. This is a loving energy, caring energy, with no doubts. And you are like this wounded soldier. You are hiding your feelings. You are hiding your proposals to this person because you are not sure. You're just not sure. You are afraid of getting hurt. You have already been hurt so deeply, probably in the last relationship. And also you can be lack of money, and that is an add-on to your inconfidence to approach to this person. But you see, there is a twin flame vibe at the root of the reading. I felt that's meant to be, and it will be. You guys will be together. The relationship will be established in the end, and you guys will recognize. She will recognize you, or he will recognize you in the end. Okay. A peaceful conversation has been suggested by the universe for a long time, but you were delaying it because you're not sure, you were not confident, you have some inner conflicts, and you hide your feelings towards this person. You are escaping. You felt so hurt. I understand you, Gemini. You experienced something horrible in the past. If it was not your ex doing some horrible things to you, it can be related to your childhood, to the relationship between you and your mother, the relationship between you and your father. And you gotta heal. You need to heal. This person is healing you. This person is a twin flame for you. You long for a family, and they are too. So be brave. Be brave, Gemini. This is your general reading, and it's about love for May 2018. I wish you good luck, Gemini. Love is in front of you, and please do take the steps. Please subscribe or like. If you have any comments, please do comment below. Thank you.